Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this CMF Nothing Buds Pro. So I'm going to show you how to pair these earbuds. Just open the case here and there will be a button here. We have to press it. Open the case here. So you can see the LED light is glowing and turned off. So there is a button here. Just you have to press it until this white light blinks continuously. So it will enter in the pairing mode. So after that we can see in our Bluetooth page. In the smart device we can refresh the Bluetooth page, then we will find the buds here. So alright, let me do that. Let me hold this for a few seconds until the white light blinks. You can see white light is blinking now, so it has been entered in pairing mode. So now let me open the smart device here. Just refreshing. You can see Buds Pro has come here. Just clicking that, it will ask for the access to contacts and call history. Just clicking the pair button. So it has been connected now. You can see battery percentage is 60. So this is the basic steps to pair the CMF Nothing Buds Pro. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.